I'm back with another new video. Today's video I have a guest.
Hi, my name is Izipho Fadana and you can go to my channel and subscribe as well. Welcome to our channel.
Please don't forget to go and subscribe to her channel and also subscribe to my channel if it's your first time. And please guys, go and follow her. Follow or subscribe.
You can follow and subscribe.
Do whatever on Instagram and the details will be on the screen. Okay, today's video is we are going to play a game. It's called what? Double Dares game. It's my first time playing this game, so
Mine
maybe,
as well.
Maybe you know it, but we don't know. Okay, let's what's happening in here?
Who's a spinner? Then up in their corner.
It has a spinning thing, and then you spin, and then where it stops.
Look at it, glow, sweet glow color. It's
Okay.
not brown.
I'm not sure. Let's just open it. Let's see what's going on inside.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we have different kinds of sweets. We have brown, orange, blue, white, green. Okay, so these colors anyway. And then
But the twist is, for brown, I don't know if you can see, but for brown, only flavors the chocolate, or you're gonna get spicy meat. You should be one doing this because it's your video.
it's fine, we are doing the video together.
But it's your video, you should be
We are doing the video together, and I don't know the game. That's the thing.
I don't know it as
okay,
well.
I think we have to twist this, and then if it stops on red, you're gonna have to choose any red sweet in here, and then it's either cherry or cough medicine.
What?
Okay, so for brown, for red, it's red or orange. I'm not
It's
sure.
orange.
I'm not good in colors.
Are
So
you
if you choose it and then it stops on orange, it's either you choose one orange sweet in here, and then it's either you get a coffee medicine
or
cherry, and then if it stops on brown, it's either it's a chocolate or spicy meat,
Imagine.
and then green it's apple or
Sprout.
What's that?
I don't know, but I'm familiar with the word, but I don't know what it is.
And then orange is either it's mango or crab.
Oh my god. Do you eat seafood?
I do, but not everything. Like I
Yeah.
never eat sushis and blah blah blah.
I have
But
eaten
I
sushi,
do.
but I hate it. It's not as good as people portray it on social media, guys. It's rubbish.
I never eat that thing. I only
Yo.
eat fish and calamaris and
I don't even eat calamari. So imagine.
crabs. Wow, okay. And then white we have rum and rotten milk. What?
Yeah.
And then blue we have blueberries or
Toothpaste.
toothpaste.
That's not hectic, but I don't like
That's
toothpaste.
nice. I so wish I can get blue.
Tell bucket.
Cherry, but it's much better compared to the others. Okay, so it's fine. I think we should get something.
Orange on mine. No, I was coupang. This is skin and
Okay, so who's going first? You go first.
it's your channel. Okay, I'm the guest. Okay. But I'm worried when I got because of the. Now it's on cherry, blueberry, and toothpaste. I'm very scared.
Okay, so you got blue.
But why is it
Smell like medication.
Bruh.
Like pills.
I don't know. The thing is, long as our flavors is mixed and oh my god, please. A toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Wow.
We need toothpaste.
Okay, so it's my turn.
As if man,
No, don't be like that. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? That's
no. About I was
mango crepes.
So to see.
Okay, let me do it again.
Yeah, share of cough medicine. But it's not bad. So you
Cough
do
medicine.
why.
Is this one it? Shape.
But what is mom touch? The baguette is sweet.
I'm confused here.
Because it's orange.
It's,
Quick egg means but like after the baguette, when I know.
I think we'll rate
You're
for
right.
this one. And then for mango.
Oh yeah, now I
I
see.
think
Yeah.
we'll cherry.
But you guys are not dead.
London.
Cough syrup. Celia's. So they gave it
I really
against
like it.
Apple sprouts green. Oh my god.
Little girl. Apple.
The thing is, I don't even know how sprouts taste like.
What's there? No, maybe it's not weird.
No, it's not bad. Yeah, I think it's an apple. Yeah, it's an apple.
Apple.
Because I taste apple juice.
Yeah. So far, so good.
Yeah.
Mango.
Mango and
grape.
crab. Get a crab, honey. Get a crab.
Let me throw this one out. I picked
Okay, I feel but like this one is nice.
mango and crab, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah. This one is nice.
Oh, please, guys, wish me good luck.
I started up again.
Mango.
Why is the one is right? Apple sprouts again.
I think you should do it again.
Okay. Okay, it's not on white. Blueberry or toothpaste.
You are doing that again.
uh,
Okay, fine.
Which color is it?
Choose it. Choose between your
It's
and
blue. It's blue.
Okay. Hopefully this time you get prepared. Toothpaste.
Paste as well.
Wow, girl. You have to pray.
But this is gonna make my breath smell fresh, so I'm not complaining.
I'm getting mango again.
I'm not doing it. No, see. I know.
Kyla didn't cheat. Hey, I'm getting
I'm not doing it. That's what my new height. It's a mango or crab
I
again.
think I should do it again.
Get what? Yes, you got white. You got white, honey.
What?
White. That's what my new means. What is it?
Ramen.
Rum is alcohol.
What? I thought you like a ramen butter.
No rum. That's what my means.
Hot.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Give it a drink.
Disgusting.
Oh.
Have a drink.
Oh my god. Maybe it's like
It tastes like buku jakamtan.
No. Bro, I don't
I'm
even
telling you.
I don't even eat baby food for that matter.
It tastes like it's fine, thank you.
Yeah.
It tastes like buku jakamtan.
Yo, Mm-mm. Yes. It's rum,
Blueberry.
blueberry or toothpaste, the same thing.
Wait, now what's going on with you? It's either you get apple or blueberries.
Mango, crab.
You are like. I so wish you can get this one. No. That's weird. Nice mango.
I'm not getting anything. No, it's mango. It's a mango.
It's
Yum. So I'm happy.
Yes, guys, wish me luck this time.
This is actually nice.
No one got chocolate so far.
Hmm?
No one
Yeah.
got chocolate so far.
Or spicy milk.
Blueberries or toothpaste.
Only toothpaste.
Not bad.
I got for money blueberry. I got for money toothpaste. These jelly beans are nice.
Toothpaste.
Almost on white. Almost. It's the same
Blueberries.
Sorry.
White. White.
No,
Why did you do that? Guys, she just said that.
No, bruh.
She said sorry and then it was on white.
No.
This girl. Ah,
Bruh.
she's cheating.
You see, it's cherry or cough medicine.
Yeah, we got white that time. You
You didn't say a mistake.
That's why she's cheating.
No.
Cherry or cheers. You're not sure.
The thing is, and last but not least,
But it
J
tastes
Black
like
cough syrup, it tastes also.
maybe it's for COVID-19.
Yeah, maybe it's for COVID.
Maybe
Maybe last time.
for COVID-19.
No, guys, look at how many sweets we have.
I think I want to all of those.
Yeah.
So how many rounds? No.
I don't
I've
know.
got
But I started.
you got blueberries, you got apple,
Yeah.
you got blueberries again,
Probably could never be able to
And then-
remember all of that.
no, and then you got cherry and don don.
I also got mango.
It's around 5.
Are you sure?
Yes, I think so. Okay, let's do 4 more.
Okay. Okay. I think you want me to get that milk.
Yes, yes, that's the aim. Cherry and don don.
Cherry or what else? The crab
Cherry or coffee medicine.
or cough medicine.
Oh. That's why I don't get chocolate.
Chocolate, yeah, chocolate. We all want this chocolate.
Cherry and don don, I think they're paired.
Honey cough medicine.
The syrup.
And this syrup doesn't taste good.
At all.
Mango or crab or day.
I was just chocolate thing, you're not.
Nice food. Mango again. Mango.
Okay.
This game is loving me.
What's that?
This blueberry. Oh, it's apple or sprout.
It's my first time to get this one. It's apple or what?
Sprouts.
But this is not apple.
S.
I don't know how
sprouts
sprouts taste like.
or supposed
But this
to
is not
taste like.
apple.
Oh, cherry or cough medicine.
This medicine thing, it's not nice.
No. Yeah, it's cherry. It's cherry.
Okay. Second last round.
Must let it white.
Mango
crab. I'm enjoying this game so far.
Mango crab. Orange.
Everything. I haven't tasted crab because I always get mango.
No.
It's on blueberry or toothpaste.
Something is wrong with you. It's either you are cheating or something
No,
is
I'm
wrong.
not.
It's either you are cheating or something is
No,
wrong.
no.
What was it?
It's blueberry.
Blueberry.
It's blueberry.
Okay. So last time. So guys, wish me good luck. This is the last spin. Oh, I thought
White. So none of us got chocolate
It's mango.
or spicy milk.
I just got that. And started to pay this second when I got to crab.
How do you crab?
Please.
How do you crab?
This is not a meal.
Oh, does it taste nice?
Even the smell of it. What do you know?
Wait.
I thought
That
you
was
can
the
get-
last
I
one,
thought
right?
you can get this one.
Okay, yeah, the last one.
That tastes bad, guys. It's what? Crab.
Mango crab.
Maybe something was a little white.
No, because I'm taking over the eyes, so you feel that
Maybe something was a little white. I like it same.
Yo, that's what my name white. What for that?
Send the color.
What the color is not what it is.
Guys.
Mango.
Okay. So I pray that I get chocolate or blueberries.
Get one more.
So this is so little. What's that?
Blueberry. It's blueberry.
Toothpaste, you Colgate. I'm done with this game. Okay guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. And please don't forget to go and subscribe to Izipho Fadana's channel, and please go follow her on Instagram and show some love. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
Bye.